Lagos is indeed the city that never sleeps. It's 8 p.m. right now and I am craving jollof rice. So I am taking you guys to the best jollof rice spot in Iyana-Ipaja. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia Sarah, aka Miss Wakajupe. I am a travel and lifestyle content creator based here in Lagos, Nigeria. Right now, guys, I am in one of the coolest spots to buy jollof rice, fried rice in the evening in Iyana-Ipaja, mainland. Guys, if you live in Iyana-Ipaja or it's ever wrong, then you should try out this place. They have the most delicious jollof rice, fried rice ever, guys. I have been buying food from these people for the past 1 year, even though I don't buy very often, but I have never bought a food here that I regret buying, guys. It's that good and it's very, very, very affordable. Guys, the place is in front of First Bank in Iyana-Ipaja. They are there from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. every single day, so do check them out. Also guys, do you know that commenting, liking my videos and subscribing to my channel helps me to make better content? Yes, it does help me to grow on YouTube. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. It is absolutely free, guys. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. And also please check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.